Hey everyone, and how's it going on? So today we will be discussing about best pet insurance in the UK. So the very first thing here is to be noted that you are going to be choosing a plan which does cover a nice amount of money and resources. So the key point when you are choosing insurance is to see the policy score, which is going to be should be more than 80%. So these are some of the insurance or insurers who are going to be providing you that. So we have lifetime plus, you can go with 83% policy score. You can see we have a type of policy, lifetime and annual limit, which renews each year. And yeah, if you want to get code, you can head over to their website. Then we can see Pergivity is the name. Then we have Agaria, which is also be covering 81% policy score, and lifetime and annual limit, which are going to be renewing each year. So these two are really great. And after that, we have a couple more which are also by Pergivity, different plans if whatever is going to be suiting your budget. So I hope this helps, and see you in the next video.